Hi, Northside Christian Academy. I'm Amanda Sharratt. I'm Ella Sharratt's mom, and I'm also a member of the school board for the academy and preschool. Professionally, I'm a financial advisor, and what I'm here to talk about today kind of combines those things. So I'm going to share about the OCEN SGO Ohio tax credit for scholarship donations. And that is a mouthful. So, what does that mean? Well, simply put, what I'm going to share with you is a way that you can donate up to $750 per person to directly benefit a student and family in need at Northside Christian Academy. And when you do so, you're able to get a tax credit on your Ohio state taxes. So, I'm going to walk through the specifics of how that works and what a tax credit is and how to do the donation so that you get that tax credit. So let's dive in. First of all, you may be wondering, what is OCEN? Well, they are the Ohio Christian Education Network, and their goal is to protect the religious liberty of Christian schools, and they want to ensure that every Ohio family has access to a gospel-centered education. So they do this in a couple different ways, but one of the things that they do is this SGO participation. So what does the SGO donation support? So specifically, we have to use it at Northside Christian Academy to support students. So that can be things like registration fees or tuition that is not covered by Ed Choice. So those are going to be the things that we prioritize. If families need help with those things, tuition or registration fees, those are going to be the things that are prioritized for this donation. Then, because it has to go to a student in need at the school, specifically to help them, if there are no families or we still have funds left over after we help those families that need help with registration fees and tuition, then we can use it for other things that the students need. Think of field trips, lunch, books at the book fair, that sort of thing that the administration and teachers know that the students need help with. So, what is a tax credit? Well, Investopedia reminds us that the term tax credit refers to an amount of money that taxpayers can subtract directly from the taxes that they owe. So, this is different from a tax deduction because that lowers the amount of your taxable income. So, basically, when you donate to this OCEN SGO and use it to support Northside Christian Academy, you can take a dollar for dollar reduction on your Ohio state taxes, and that can be up to $750 per person. So that's the key. If you are married, you want to make sure that you do $750 for the husband and $750 for the wife. That way you can get the full tax credit of $1,500 because it's only $750 each. In order to donate, you just have to go to the ohiocen.org website. In the top right, you will see OCEN SGO, and underneath that will be Donate to SGO. Then you can select your donation amount. So they have buttons there for $750 or $1,500 or other. Be sure that you select Northside Christian Academy Wadsworth as the designation for that donation. Then you'll fill in your contact information and your payment information and click Donate. The next thing is really important. You want to make sure that you save that donation receipt so that you can submit it to your tax professional so that you get your Ohio state tax credit for this donation. Again, up to $750 per person. So that's all. We just wanted to make sure that you were aware of this way to support students that may be in need at Northside Christian Academy and also be able to get a tax credit at the same time. So we are so grateful for the generosity. Our families at Northside are really generous and we are grateful for you. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for watching the video. And if you know anybody else in your family that may be interested in helping Northside Christian Academy in this way, please be sure to share this with them as well. Thanks again.